out, watch out. I almost forgot to do my push-ups today, so we're doing PJ's version with the dogs, and we'll see how many I can get through without one of them going underneath me. All right, can you move out of the way? I give you huggies. All right, you gotta move out of the way so that they can see me do my push-ups. Oh, we're not playing, but we're not. This is not playing. Ow, your tail hurts. Stop it. Ow, fuck. That was in my eye. Oh, shit. Why can't I get injured the 2 days before my meet? Oh, God, stop. Fix it. Watch out. We'll do dog. 2. Stop it. All right, I did 15. I'm gonna take a little tiny break. So the down dog or yoga style push up, oh my God, is great as a challenge. It can also be used to help work on your upward rotation of your shoulder blade as you're pushing the ground up and away and trying to get that shoulder blade to rotate around on your rib cage so it points down towards your hip. It is also good for calf and hamstring stretching, and apparently really, really invigorating your dogs who are really nervous because you just took a bath. And actually, the last time I took a bath, I ended up falling and then made me go get stitches, but I didn't do that this time. All right, guys, I got 7 left. I gotta do 7 more, okay? I gotta get to 22. All right, please, ow. Please stop hurting me. 16. Stop it. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. So I filmed earlier in the week or maybe late last week in this room, and the dogs didn't join in at all. But today we got a lot of Ace and Vixen. A lot of Ace. Okay, too much Ace. All right, how's it going, guys?